Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Contax camera that I have. It's a Contax 137MD Quartz camera. So I want to show you how the light meter works on this camera. And yeah, so to turn it on, so you can know that actually it's functional. Now it's on auto mode. This camera model only got auto mode, there's no manual mode. And yeah, this is A lock, and the exposure wise you can how to say, you can adjust the exposure compensation, 2 stops over and 2 stop under. So yeah, there you go. So to do a A lock, generally speaking, you just trigger it after you got the lock that you want. So you just trigger it like this in a mechanical way. And okay, I'll demonstrate this to you in the viewfinder. Alright, so we're gonna show you the viewfinder now. Okay, you can see that the LED on the right side. Okay, so if I put, how to say, if I darken the viewfinder, you can see that the meter goes along. It's basically a A mode. The auto mode is it's like aperture priority mode or automatic mode. So you can see that the metering move. Okay, so let's say like I close it totally and I activate the A lock. Okay, you can see that the meter now is how to say, is being held at the longer exposures. Now it's 2 seconds or something like that. So see, maybe a slow exposure. So to release the lock, I just need to push it back. Let me show you. So I'm gonna push it back now. You can see. Yeah. Now it goes back to 1000. Alright. And how the compensation works is that as I trigger this, you actually adjust the metering. Let me move the normal to the middle so it's easy. Okay, now at f16, to illuminate or expose the scene correctly will be 125 shutter speed. So I'm gonna move 1 stop up, 2 stop up. Okay, so you can see the reaction in a timer to such a scene. So 125, 1 stop up, 2 stop up. Okay, so back to 1, then gonna do it down, 1 stop down, 2 stops down. Okay, show you. So 1 stop down, 2 stops down. Okay, so yeah, there you go. 1 stop down, 2 stop down, 1 stop up, 2 stops up. Yeah, let's try if after you lock it, would there be any changes? Okay, alright, let's lock it. Let's lock exposure. Okay, I'm gonna lock it. So now it's locked at 250. See, it's locked. Now I'm gonna adjust and see if there's any changes to the meter. Okay, even though I changed the compensation in the meter, it's still locked. There's no how to say, the meter no longer responds to the compensatory trigger in the dial that I activate. See, it doesn't change the meter now after I locked it, so it's really locked. And if I release, then it will go back to normal. Yeah, there you go. So this is how the metering works in the Contax 137 MD Quartz. Alright. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.